The top 5 best React hooks. The useState hook is used to add state management to functional components. It returns a state variable and a function to update it. In this example, we use useState to create a count state variable, initialized to 0. The setCount function updates the state when the increment button is clicked. The useEffect hook is used for performing side effects in functional components, like data fetching, subscriptions, or DOM manipulation. Here, useEffect is used to fetch data when the component mounts empty dependency array. The fetched data updates the data state variable, and the component renders accordingly. The useContext hook enables components to access context values without deep nesting. In this snippet, useContext allows the theme button component to directly access the current theme value provided by a higher-level theme provider without prop drilling. The useRef hook creates mutable ref objects to hold references to DOM elements or other values. Here, useRef creates an input ref that is attached to an input element. When the Focus Input button is clicked, Input Ref Current provides access to the input element, allowing you to focus it. The useMemo hook memoizes the result of a function, preventing recalculation when dependencies remain unchanged. In this example, useMemo is used to memoize the result of an expensive computation based on the value prop. These React hooks are essential tools for managing state, handling side effects, accessing the DOM, simplifying context usage, and optimizing computations in your React applications.